Hey there, welcome to How to Login. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. And also to our video tutorial on how to log into your Cengage account. Cengage is a leading provider of online learning solutions for students, instructors, and institutions worldwide. Logging into your Cengage account is an essential step to access all of the tools and resources that are available to you as a Cengage user. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your Cengage account so that you can get started on your learning journey. Whether you're a student, an instructor, or an administrator, this video is designed to provide you with the information you need to successfully log into your Cengage account. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First of all, go to your web browser and type sam.cengage.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now enter your username and password and click on Login button. So, this is how you log into your Cengage account. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.